Hello friends, a very good day to everyone. Today I have with me an orbital sander from IBELL. I recently bought this from Amazon for rupees 2,830 rupees. I bought this for my upcoming DIY projects. I recently bought the Bosch cordless drill and also the Black & Decker jigsaw, and again I bought this orbital sander for my upcoming DIY projects. So for any DIY home woodworking projects, an orbital sander is a must. So today I will show you the contents inside the box. I've already done the unboxing, but I will open up the box and show you what comes inside, and I will also show how the orbital sander functions. So I'll just walk you through the box. So this is the IBELL orbital sander with a voltage frequency of 233 volts and the rated power output of 300 watt. It has a speed of 4000 to 12,000 RPM and a cushion size of 125 mm. It comes with a 6 months warranty, and the other information in the box is it weighs approximately 1.8 kilos. The gross weight is about 2 kilos, and this is the customer care center for IBELL Care. And basically there is no other information, so let me quickly open the box and show you what inside the contents of the box. So the first thing obviously is the instruction manual. It also comes with a few extra magnets. Good. Along with that we have the warranty card, come this instruction manual. I would suggest to go through the manual. Along with that we also have one sandpaper of 150 grit that comes provided on the box. 150 grit obviously would be to make a very smooth sanding. I would need to purchase sandpaper of other grades, lower grades like 80, 100 and 120 for my different sanding requirements. Let me keep this aside. And we have the orbital sander, and there is nothing else. Okay, we have one more accessory here, and there is nothing else in the box. We keep this aside. So this is the sand collector. I'll show you how to attach this on the sander later on. And this is the sander itself. As mentioned in the box, it weighs approximately about 2 kilos. It's a little heavy, but I'm not sure if that is the normal weight for any orbital random orbital sander. This is my first purchase. I've never used a random orbital sander in the past, so obviously I don't know the normal weight, but the build quality of this sander is very robust. I can feel from the weight, and also the material that has been used is also of very good quality. We have a grip here which can be which we can loosen and tighten by unscrewing and screwing back this screw handle here, and this also acts as the handle, so we have a proper grip while sanding any surface. And then we have the trigger mechanism here, and also a lock mechanism. So if I want to continuously use the sander, then I press the trigger and hold on to the lock, and the trigger gets locked. If I want to release it, then I'll just have to press it once, and the release mechanism or the release trigger gets loosened up. And below this is the connector where I need to connect the sand or the dust collector. So you just have to put it like this and push it a little bit inside, and that's how you connect. Talking about the other features of the random orbital sander, so it comes with a spit selector. It comes with spit selection from minimum 1 all the way till maximum, that is 5, and then the maximum speed. And below we have the velcro base, where this has the sandpaper. The sandpaper that comes along with this has a felt like material, which if I just put it like this, then it connects. Yeah, I just need to ensure the holes are aligned. I just put it randomly, but when we put it to actually use the sandpaper, I need to ensure the holes are aligned with the holes in the base of the sander. So, but this is how you attach. So it comes with a velcro, so you can easily remove and attach. Apart from that, there is nothing much on the sander. It just comes with a trigger, with a variable speed trigger and a locking mechanism, the speed selector, and the attachment for the dust collector, and then the base where we can attach the sandpaper. So I'll use the sander to sand some surface. So right now, this table that I have built, the surface of the table or the wood is very rough. So I will try to use the sander and see how smooth we can make it. So I've connected the sander now. I've attached the sandpaper below, and let's see how smooth I can make this rough wood planks that I have on my table. I've set the speed to 4, but I have options to set it to max. But I'll try with 4 and then see how smooth I can make this rough surface that I have on my current table. So as you can see, the dust collector has collected all the minute dust after sanding. And if I feel the surface, the part where I have used the sander has become very smooth, and the other part where I have not used the sander is still very rough. But I can see a huge difference with the surfaces that I have sanded now. It's become very smooth. So I feel with a higher grade or a lower grade, I can control how much sanding I need to do. This is a 150 grade sandpaper. That means I would not be able to remove rough surfaces, but it does make the surface very smooth. But if I want to remove the surface and make it a very smooth surface, then I would need to start using with 80 grade sandpaper, then 100 grade, then probably a 120, and then finally use the sandpaper that I got with the package, which is a 150 grade. Then I would think the surface would become even more smooth. But I think so far using this sander, it's really helpful. Very compact in size, priced very reasonably. I did check out the Bosch and other brands, but they are priced a little higher. But I think this IBELL Orbital sander does the job very well at its price point. So I think I really like this device. I will leave the Amazon link if you are interested to buy in the description below. I think at this budget, this is the best random orbital sander that I can suggest. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. So I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.